we are at Lisbon, Portugal. The weather is beautiful. That's all I want for the run tomorrow. I'm getting tired much faster than expected. Hello and salam everybody. Welcome back to my channel. We are at Luton Airport to take my flight for my 7th international 10-kilometer run to Lisbon. It's 4 a.m. in London and our flight is at 7:30 a.m. It's a 3 hours flight and we hope to catch up on our sleep before landing in Lisbon. In the meantime, we have enough time in our hand to relax, have some breakfast and pray Fajr before moving towards the gate. Alhamdulillah, we reached the hotel. From the airport to the hotel journey was approximately 1 hour by bus. And when we checked the Uber, it was just about 12 minutes drive from there. So we preferred to take the Uber rather than the bus and reach the hotel much earlier. And Uber was fairly cheap, just €7 from the airport to the hotel. So it's 12 p.m. now. We are at Lisbon, Portugal. The weather is beautiful, 15 degrees, sunny. That's all I want for the run tomorrow. And now let's get into our room, drop our bags, relax, rest, eat something, and then I need to go and collect my race pack from Decathlon, which is just 6 minutes walk from the hotel. Although the starting point is not as close as the collection point, it's approximately 1 hour journey, so I need to plan accordingly to reach on time tomorrow morning. For now, let's go and check out our room. It's 1:30 now. I'm out of the hotel. I know I'm super tired. My face shows that. But I need to collect my race pack and it's only 6 minutes walk from here. Nice sunny weather, Lisbon, Portugal. Let's do this. That's Decathlon, where I need to collect the race pack from, just across this roundabout. I can see people coming out with the race packs in their hand, and it feels nice to know that I'm in the right place.
Savannah Awan.
Yes.
Just first the date of birth.
Okay.
You rest, and you go to the other sides.
Uh-huh.
They give you the rest of the kits.
Okay.
And if
Okay.
you want, you can take.
All right. Thank you so. Alhamdulillah, collected my race pack, race number from Decathlon. Just 5 minutes walk from the hotel. It was super quick and super easy. I'm so happy everything got done so well, so quickly. Now I'm going back to the hotel. Need to eat well, sleep well, and get ready for tomorrow's run, inshallah, with a good weather. We have reached this beautiful square garden in Lisbon, Portugal, on a beautiful sunny 15 degrees day, and we are all heading towards the starting point. I have enough time for some warm up and then join everybody to start my 10k, my 7th international 10k run. Alhamdulillah. We have started 10k Lisbon, Portugal. 10,000 people from here and many other parts of the world, including me from London. After the 10k in Italy, I'm doing this Lisbon after 1 month, 20 days. In this 1 month, 20 days, I never got to practice or train on the road. That means no training on concrete. The only training that I had was treadmill That also sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes hit. I think that's a better option if you don't get time to train long distance. Try to get in the HIIT trainings at least 10 to 20 minutes 3 times a week. More the better. To be honest, it's a huge difference running on treadmill versus running on concrete. I can say that because I can feel it. Hardly any training on concrete. Now suddenly after almost 1.5 months, I'm running on the road, hard concrete. You don't have the same kind of push what you get on treadmill, but keep going. I'm getting tired much faster than expected. This is what lack of training does to you. Your body is how you keep it. The more you practice, the stronger it is, the faster it is, and the easier things become for you. Not only for running, but for your daily life. Things you do in your day-to-day living. And you keep the medicines, the treatments, the doctor, hospital visits away, far, far away from you. Even when you get old, especially when you start getting old, you need to keep working out. Daily exercises in regularly. When you don't move your body, when you don't exercise, as you're getting older, you automatically become dependent on others. And nobody wants to be dependent on anybody else. Yes, you can be functional with medicines and doctors' help, but nothing will help you better than moving daily, exercising daily. Whatever you can do. Just finish the 5 kilometers. I need to pick up the speed, so I'll see you at the finish line. Couple of 100 meters to go. See you at the finish line. Finished 10K Lisbon, Portugal. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, it was such a beautiful day, such a beautiful run. So many people, such a lively environment. I had so much fun running this 10 kilometer in Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon 10K international run, one of the easiest runs I have done so far. Hassle free, no problem in collecting the race pack, no problem reaching the place, all in short distances, 5 minutes drive, 10 minutes drive, easy collection, easy run, lovely weather, easy finish. Alhamdulillah for this. Let's see what the next run in another country has in store for me. So keep an eye on the next video coming up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for all my new videos coming up. See you there. Take care. Thank you for watching.